Hey everybody! Have you ever wondered about the differences between different types of foam for noise and acoustics? Or maybe you didn't know there were a lot of different options. But in this video, we'll take a look at what kind of foam you should use for different situations, if you want noise reduction, sound absorption, or anti-vibration. So we'll take a quick look at open cell foam, closed cell foam, E.V.A, and neoprene. So open cell foam is very soft and porous. It's got lots of air pockets in it. Air passes through it very easily. It's used in things like headphone pads, like these Grado headphones. These are open-ear headphones. Sound can pass through them easily, and the foam compresses very easily, almost flat. They don't block out exterior sounds. If you wear open-ear headphones, you'll definitely not have noise cancellation. Open cell foam is also used for acoustic foam wedges, like these, which you can use in a sound studio. This kind of foam is used in audio recording environments and in vocal booths. It diffuses some of the sound and it reduces room echo. The sound is clear, but it doesn't reverb. The same kind of open cell foam is used on these vocal isolation shields. If you put a microphone in front of this shield, it isolates your voice. Your voice goes into the microphone and into the foam on the shield, but it doesn't bounce around the room. This is particularly helpful if you use a mic with an omnidirectional pickup pattern. Open cell foam sometimes gets used in mattresses and furniture too. It is not water resistant, nor is it weather resistant. Closed cell foam is denser and it's more absorbent in terms of sound, but it's still very easy to compress. It's often sold with adhesive backing on it. You can buy it in strips, like this, for weather stripping around a door or a window. Any place where you want to create a tighter seal that's flexible. You can also buy it in sheets, like this, and use it underneath a layer of flooring, for example, to absorb some of the footfall noise. You can also use it to line the inside of a cabinet that has a dishwasher in it, or a built-in refrigerator, to absorb some of that noise. Or inside a car door. It won't stop external noise from coming in, but it can absorb some of the internal noise. It also has more resistance to water than open cell foam. We've talked about E.V.A in some of our other soundproofist videos. It's a very dense plastic-type foam. It's firmer than closed cell foam, but it's still pliable. And it can be used in anti-vibration pads like this one. I did a test that showed how an anti-vibration pad with E.V.A between two pieces of rubber tread reduced vibration more than cork does. E.V.A can also be used in flooring, like some gym floors use E.V.A. But if it's a heavily trafficked area or if you have very heavy equipment sitting on it, eventually the foam can become indented. So some facilities use rubber or they combine E.V.A with rubber because rubber is harder. E.V.A is also used in things like yoga blocks, which of course have nothing to do with soundproofing. So E.V.A reduces vibration and shock, but it's not for sound absorption. It's very dense, and it's not porous enough to absorb airborne sound. E.V.A is water resistant, and it can withstand very high temperatures over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and also very low temperatures. You can buy E.V.A foam online in different sizes. It's often advertised for cosplay or to use inside of helmets for shock absorption. Neoprene is another type of lightweight, dense material that can be used in some acoustic applications and especially for decoupling or anti-vibration. It's slightly heavier and denser than E.V.A. It's a type of synthetic rubber, but it's slightly more pliable than rubber. And like rubber, it's water resistant. It's used in wetsuits, and it can be used to reduce vibration transfer between two hard surfaces, like between a subfloor and a joist. This packing material here might be made from neoprene. It came from inside a product box, and it also reminds me of E.V.A. See how it's firm, but it's still a little pliable if you press hard on it. It's also considered to be closed cell, but it's denser than the closed cell foam that I showed you earlier in this video. Like E.V.A, it can also withstand very high and very low temperatures. It can be used for wire insulation or in other electronic devices. And neoprene can also be used on gym floors. You can buy sheets of neoprene from stores like Home Depot in different sizes and different thicknesses. There are lots of different foam materials, and they're used for different purposes. I didn't go into a lot of detail here, but there's plenty you can find online. In summary, if you want to improve room acoustics, especially for voiceover, podcasting, or music, use open cell foam. You'll need a lot of it, not just one square. If you want to seal gaps in a door or window, or put an underlayment under a layer of flooring like tile or laminate, you can use closed cell foam. E.V.A. and neoprene are not for sound absorption, but they're for anti-vibration and for shock absorption. They share many of the same benefits and properties with each other, but they're made from different materials. For more information about noise and acoustics, visit soundproofist.com. And if you like videos like this one, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.